BBC Sport doesn't seem to have bothered to report on the deaths of 3 horses at this year's Royal Ascot. This slide shows that they did report on the death of Thomas Chippendale at last year's Royal Ascot. Unlike the BBC, this website, called Horse Talk, has had the decency to report on the deaths at Royal Ascot. The title of their piece is "Third Horse Death as Royal Ascot Closes," and their report goes on to say, "A racehorse has died on the closing day of Britain's Royal Ascot race meeting, bringing the toll to 3. The excellent Horse Talk piece goes on, "Tiger Cliff suffered a suspected heart attack after placing in the Queen Alexandra Stakes." That means he finished. Trained by Alan King, the 4-year-old was ridden to 4th place by Tom Queally, behind the winner, Peak Sue. Tiger Cliff was owned by Henry Ponsonby. The third paragraph reads, "Nick Smith, Ascot's head of communications and international racing, said, 'It's a shame to end the meeting with the sad death of Tiger Cliff. We understand he had a suspected heart attack. This was unrelated to the track, like the 2 deaths earlier in the week. Our sympathies go out to the connections of Tiger Cliff, and also of the 2 horses we lost on Tuesday." The last paragraph concerns the 2 horses which were lost on Tuesday. It reads, "On Tuesday, Case Statement sustained a fracture of his near fore fetlock in the Group 2 Coventry Stakes, and later in the day, Sir Graham Wade, which was the other horse, suffered pelvic fracture in the Ascot Stakes." This last slide shows Animal Aid's excellent Horse Death Watch website, and this website records all of the deaths on British racecourses throughout the year. And if you look, it says Tiger Cliff died on the 21st of June at Ascot, and the cause of death was that he collapsed and died after the race. Case Statement, who died on the Tuesday, and that was the 17th of June 2014 at Ascot, he fractured his fetlock, or fractured fetlock, and was destroyed. Sir Graham Wade of Ireland, also on the Tuesday, on the 17th of June, again the course is recorded as the Ascot Flat. Sir Graham Wade died of a fractured pelvis and was sadly destroyed.